Hello students, welcome to this session of preparation UGC NET JRF code 55, that is labor welfare IR HRM. The topic for today's class is important acts and the establishment years. Let's start our today's class. The first act is Apprentice Act of 1850. The next is the Bombay Trade Dispute Conciliation Act of 1934. Next is the Bombay Industrial Dispute Act of 1938. The next is the Bombay Industrial Relation Act of 1946. Next is the Payment of Wages Act of 1936. Next is the Minimum Wages Act of 1948. Next is the Employees State Insurance Act of 1948. Next is the Employees Provident Fund and Miscellaneous Provisions Act of 1942. Next is the Payment of Bonus Act of 1965. Next is the Payment of Gratuity Act of 1972. Next is the Equal Remuneration Act of 1976. Next is the Trade Dispute Act of 1926. Industrial Employment Standing Orders Act of 1946. Next is the Industrial Dispute Act of 1947. Next is the Factories Act of 1948. And the last is the Plantation Labor Act of 1951. Next is the Mines Act of 1952. Next is the Maternity Benefit Act of 1961. Next is the Beedi and Cigar Act of 1966. Contract Labor Regulation and Abolition Act of 1970. Next is the Interstate Migrant Workmen Act of 1979. The next is the Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act of 1986. And the last is the Building and Other Construction Workers Act of 1996. ये सारे ही ईयर्स आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. सो मेरी यही रिक्वेस्ट है आपसे कि आप लोग प्लीज़ इनका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा और याद कर लीजिएगा. ओके, दिस इज़ ऑल फॉर टुडेज़ क्लास. Thank you so much students. Please like, share and for more updates please subscribe to my YouTube channel Preparation UGC NET JRF code 55. और अगर आप लोगों को कोई भी डाउट हो इस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड तो प्लीज़ आप लोग कमेंट कर सकते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडेंट्स.